Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we're checking out the 5 best voice changer apps for iPhone that are packed with fun and creativity. Now let's get started. At number 5 on our list, we have Magic Call. Developed for prank lovers, Magic Call has a rating of 3.5 out of 5 with 778 user reviews. This voice changer app is designed for live phone calls and lets you surprise your friends by switching voices in real time. 3 standout features: real time voice changing during calls, fun sound emojis like kiss, slap, and fart, background effects like birthday songs and traffic noise. Once you open the app, you'll see 2 signal lines at the top. This is where you can check your voice connection and call quality. Next, you'll find the notification bell icon, which keeps you updated with new features and offers. Tap on transactions to check your purchase history and any credits used. Under recharge, you can buy more credits or subscribe to top up packs. And finally, the Earn Credit tab lets you get free calling minutes through referrals or offers. The interface is clean, colorful, and focused on quick access to the main features, perfect for making funny calls fast. At number 4 on our list, we have Voice Changer with Effects, one of the highest rated apps in this category with a 4.7 out of 5 rating and over 6.6k reviews. This fun and creative tool lets you record your voice, apply over 50 hilarious effects, and instantly share the results with your friends. Whether you want to sound like a robot, alien, or even helium-filled squirrel, this app has it all. 3 standout features: 50 plus voice effects including robot, monster, and backwards. Create voice from text or import pre-recorded audio. Tone your voice into a song using music effects. Once inside the app, tap the 3-dot icon at the top to access options like Help, Settings, or App Info. The 3-line menu or hamburger icon opens up the main navigation panel where you can find saved recordings, share settings, and access other tools like text to voice. At the center, there's a microphone button. This is your main control to record voice clips. Tap it, speak into your mic, then choose your favorite effect from the huge library available. The layout is super simple, user-friendly, and perfect for quick edits and fun experiments. At number 3 on our list, we have Live Voice Changer, a fun and powerful voice changer app with a 4.5 out of 5 rating and over 4.6k reviews. This app transforms your iPhone into a real-time voice-changing machine, letting you prank friends, enhance recordings, or even do vocal exercises using built-in reverb and equalizer tools. 3 standout features: real-time voice changing with 11 live effects like Tomcat or Darth Vader, built-in 12-band equalizer and 15 reverb effects for natural polished sound, voice recorder with shareable audio and talkback function for social apps. Now let's go through the app interface. You'll first see a row of main buttons: voice, reverb, volume, and records. These give you control over your input effect, background tone, volume level, and saved audio files. Below that you have the play, pause, and stop buttons, which help manage your voice recordings during playback or testing. Tap on Voice Changer to access the live effects, where you can switch between voices like a squirrel, robot, or even Darth Vader. The equalizer section gives you full control over tone customization with a 12-band slider layout, perfect for adjusting clarity or pitch. Finally, the Options button lets you tweak output settings like Bluetooth or AirPlay, giving you more flexibility for live or external playback. The layout is simple but loaded with tools that give you total creative control over your voice. At number 2 on our list, we've got Voicemod, a powerful and entertaining voice changer app rated 4.8 out of 5 with over 10.4k reviews. Designed for fun and chaos, this app lets you record voice messages, apply hilarious effects, and share them anywhere. Perfect for memes, pranks, or just having a good laugh with your friends. 3 standout features: access to over 500,000 meme sounds and audio clips, create unlimited custom soundboards, record voice messages using voice effects like robot or chipmunk. Now let's take a quick look at the user interface. At the top, the search bar helps you quickly find sounds or effects from the huge library. Tapping on the three-line menu opens up settings, account info, and navigation to different sections like your saved soundboards. The soundboard tab is the core of the app. Here you can tap on dozens of instant meme buttons or build your own custom boards. Next, the voice selection screen is where you choose your effect like a demon, robot, or squirrel before recording. And finally, the microphone button lets you record your message. Just speak, apply the voice filter, and share it instantly in any chat app. The interface is fast, well organized, and built for instant fun with minimal effort. At number 1 on our list, we have Voice Changer Plus, a top rated voice effect app with an impressive 4.6 out of 5 rating and over 43.5k reviews. This app lets you easily record, modify, and share your voice using dozens of unique effects. Whether you're speaking, singing, or just having fun with playback tricks like reverse voice. 3 standout features: 55 voice effects including bad melody, robot, and backwards. Save, trim, and layer effects on recordings for endless fun. Full voiceover support and ad-free experience with Upgrade. Now let's explore the user interface. The List tab lets you scroll through your saved recordings and tap any to apply new effects. In the settings section, you can adjust playback options, enable accessibility features, and manage default behaviors. The Upgrade button gives access to premium features like removing ads and customizing share options with photos. Tap Import if you want to bring in audio from your device and apply effects to external recordings. Finally, the Save button makes it easy to store your modified voice clips and share them directly through your favorite apps. The layout is clean and easy to navigate, making it perfect for casual users and creators alike. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more fun and useful app guides.